Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I want to introduce our group member. Firstly, Muhammad Coir bin Harun. Secondly, Muhammad Hazim bin Ismail. Lastly, Luqman Hakim bin Abdul Samad. Our title for this project is Acoustic Absorption of Coir Fiber. For the problem statement is air condition produce noise from several parts such as AHU and outdoor part for the split units. Common acoustic wave barrier are made from steel, concrete, wood, plastic, insulation wool or composite, which is a high cost. Our team want to solve about cost, always the big problem for the client. And secondly is acoustic wave where can cause sound pollution.
The solution, we use utilization of coir fiber in multi-layer acoustic absorption panel.
Okay, this is the example of coir fibers, and now is the process of coir fibers. The process from coconut tree until it becomes coir fibers. Okay, as you can see on the picture, it shows the coir fiber, the process of the coir fiber, and the coir fiber is used into the anechoic chamber.
Function of the absorption panel to absorb acoustic sound wave and a greener alternative for the conventional barrier. Okay, next we move to the advantages of the absorption panel. It has a good potential for dissipating the energy of sound wave, natural, renewable waste product, and it has higher sound absorption coefficients than other absorption sound panel.
Impact into environment and user. First, reduce solid waste. Second, a calm feeling cause not hearing noise. And lastly, reduce acoustic sound wave. The conclusion. Coir fibers are natural, renewable waste product generated during the process of harvesting coconut. It has good acoustic properties at low and high frequencies. It is also can use to be an alternative replacement of synthetic-based commercial product. Coir fibers is a good potential to be an environmentally friendly product. And lastly, coir fibers has a bright future because they are cheaper, lighter, and environmentally compared to glass fiber and mineral-based synthetic materials. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.